Do your mornings feel harder than they used to? More bloating, more fatigue, and more stubborn belly fat no matter what you try? A lot of women over 40 wake up feeling this way, and many end up blaming themselves. You may have told yourself that you're simply getting older, that your metabolism is slowing down, or that this is just how things are now. But the truth is that your liver plays a much bigger role in your morning energy, digestion, cravings, and belly fat than most people realize. And the way your body is responding is not your fault. These changes are a natural part of hormonal and metabolic shifts that happen during midlife. The good news is that your liver is one of the most resilient organs in your body. The way you start your morning can help it begin releasing stored fat and restoring balance, gently, naturally, and without anything extreme. Welcome, Vitality Champions. Today, we're talking about the #1 morning habit that supports liver healing, reduces inflammation, and helps shrink liver fat, especially for women in their 40s, 50s, and beyond. You can begin this routine tomorrow, and the difference it makes may truly surprise you. Why your mornings feel different after 40. Most women are never told that after 40, their morning biology changes. Your insulin sensitivity, meaning how well your body handles sugar, becomes weaker. Your cortisol rhythm, which is the hormone that gives you energy, becomes irregular. Your estrogen levels begin to shift, affecting your metabolism and how your liver processes fat. And your overnight detoxing slows down a bit. So when you wake up feeling heavier, puffy, inflamed, low in energy, bloated, or craving sugar, your body is trying to tell you something. These morning symptoms are often signs that your liver needs support, especially early in the day. This is why the first 60 minutes of your morning matter so much. Your morning routine shapes your blood sugar, your cravings, your energy, and your liver's ability to burn fat for the rest of the day. And this is exactly where your new habit fits in. The #1 morning habit. Here's the habit. Drink a warm, liver-supporting morning drink, and then move your body gently for 5 to 10 minutes before your first meal. This simple combination works beautifully because it supports your liver, digestion, and metabolism right when your body needs it most. Start with a warm drink made with 1 glass of warm water, the juice of half a lemon or lime, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Each ingredient plays a helpful role. Warm water rehydrates your body and gets your digestive system ready for the day. Lemon or lime helps your body make bile, which is needed to break down fats. Turmeric supports your liver by reducing oxidative stress, while black pepper helps your body absorb the turmeric. Cinnamon is especially helpful for women over 40 because it helps stabilize blood sugar. When your morning blood sugar is steady, your liver stores less fat. This drink works like a gentle reset for your body. Take your time drinking it, and let your system wake up slowly. Once you finish your warm drink, move your body gently. This does not need to be a workout. It can be walking or stretching, simple mobility movements, or a slow stroll outside. The goal is easy movement. When you move your muscles before eating, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin for the rest of the day. That means your body processes sugar more easily. Your cravings go down, your energy levels stay steadier, and your liver stores less fat. This is especially helpful during menopause or perimenopause, when hormonal changes make the body naturally more insulin resistant. Even a slow walk in your kitchen or hallway counts. Your muscles don't need intensity, just a gentle signal that the day has begun. Build a liver-friendly breakfast. After your movement, it's time for a breakfast that supports your liver. The key is to have protein first. This could be eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, chia seeds, nuts or nut butter, cottage cheese, or a simple protein smoothie. Protein helps steady your blood sugar, which reduces pressure on your liver and supports your energy for the rest of the day. If you enjoy coffee, this is a good time to have it, just without sugar. Coffee is one of the most studied beverages for liver health and may help reduce liver fat over time. A simple, balanced breakfast like this can influence your energy, digestion, and cravings, long after the morning ends. Why this habit works? This morning habit works so well because it supports the 3 biggest challenges women face after 40. First, it helps balance blood sugar. Warm water, cinnamon, and gentle movement help prevent morning sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. Second, it helps calm inflammation. Turmeric, lemon, and hydration all support the liver's natural healing process. And third, it helps with hormonal changes. A gentle, steady morning rhythm supports cortisol balance, reduces stress on your liver, and works with your body's natural shifts during perimenopause and menopause. Small steps create powerful change. Repeating this habit daily gives your liver the predictable support it needs to begin healing and releasing stored fat. Your liver is incredibly resilient. With the right morning foundation, it's capable of rebuilding, restoring, and regaining balance, even after years of strain. Try this simple habit tomorrow morning, and notice how your energy, digestion, and cravings begin to shift. If you decide to start, comment below and let me know how it feels for you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Vitality Bliss for more science-backed habits that help women over 40 reduce inflammation and restore their health. See you in the next video.